Hey, I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to show you guys a little project that I just completed. It was so easy and cheap. Well, it was really cheap for me because I found this kitchen island on the side of the road in my small little town that I live in. So that was free. And when I saw it, I instantly thought about Pinterest and those coffee bars that I've been loving, like those beverage stations everybody has been making or posting all over Pinterest. So I thought, oh, perfect, I'll change that into my beverage station. So first thing I did was call my mom. And she took it outside for me after we sanded it down. She took it outside, she took it apart, and then she spray painted it white. Unfortunately, we ran out of spray paint. So I was supposed to paint it by hand with the paintbrush because you can see it, the paint is a bit thin. But I haven't really had time to do that. But we brung it back inside, put it back together after it dried. It took like maybe, I don't know, because I kind of left it out there for like 3 or 4 hours before I even messed with it. But I'm sure it was dry before then. So after spray painting it and putting it back together, bring it back inside, and then I covered the top of it. The top of it was not a real butcher's block, like a cutting board. I'm sorry, a cutting board. The top of it wasn't a real cutting board. I did check to see, to make sure, because I probably would have changed my plan, but it wasn't a real cutting board. It just looked like a cutting board. So I covered it in this marble contact paper. It's just a peel and stick type of situation, and so that was really simple. And then I put on the knobs. So I had a problem. The knobs that I initially bought were way too big. They were pretty. I bought them from Hobby Lobby, and they were way too big. So we couldn't open the you couldn't really open the doors with. Anyway, I ran back to Walmart. I got this 2-pack of knobs for a little under $6. And I switched them out, and this works so much better. And I think it looks so pretty. I also got the bar, like the little crystal bar that went on the pull-out drawer on the top, from Hobby Lobby as well. I have not finished putting everything on it. I just threw my Keurig up there and a few mugs just so you guys can see where I'm going with the situation. I also filled a K-cup. So I hope you liked this video and my upcycled DIY furniture makeover. That's probably the title of this video. That was long though. Upcycled DIY makeover furniture. Was that how I said? I don't know. Town. I live in a small town. I don't want to say that. I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay. I suck. Move, Ash. Excuse me. He thinks this is a game. This is a game we're playing now.